Right then guys, let's give the new Milwaukee a test. This is just a bit of softwood, 6x2, 6x3. It's really sort of soft, but I just wanted to give it a go because Milwaukee is obviously brand new. This is 7 years old. Both the same ampage batteries. Obviously this is 7 years old. It's fully charged. This is my trusty, so I'm going to give that one a go and just see. And what I can't believe with Milwaukee is you've got speeds. So I've not used this yet, so I'm going to go 2 and just see how fast this does this. Wow. Right, let's wind it back out. Go again. Let's wind it back out and go again. Let's pump this up. Let's pump this up to 3. Right, let's go. Here we go. Yes, I'm a 38-year-old male, don't go to the gym, but I'm quite strong when it comes to pushing because that's my job. I was not pushing. That was the drill, doing that. And it absolutely buried it into the end grain. Yes, with the Makita, I built up a bit of a finger trigger control, which I didn't know I had, but I've come over to Milwaukee and now the drill does the finger control, if that makes sense. It's going to make me even faster than what I am anyway. Super duper. Obviously I'm going to be testing this out. That was 3. Difference in weight. Yes, the Milwaukee's heavier. Size, as you can see, I would say it's a bit more bulkier on the battery, but in theory it's actually lighter when you spin it up and stick it on your tool belt or your Skyrocket than the Makita, which is a bit strange. Makita's weight seems to be all in their battery. But you know, this is 7 years old, guys. It's going to retire into the workshop. It's still going to be used. It's not going in the bin. But it's just at that stage of life where that is going to make me even faster. So there you go, guys. That is the new Impact, the FID3 M18 range, the 18-volt range from Milwaukee versus the Makita 5-amp 18-volt lithium. Same batteries, different manufacturer. One's from Japan, one's from Germany. You make that decision. Thanks for watching, guys. Please have a look at my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, become a member, and you'll see more. Thanks for watching.